In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to portrait or landscape view in Zoom. This quick adjustment can make your meetings more comfortable, whether you're working on a tall display, a narrow laptop screen, or a wide external monitor. Start by opening Zoom. You can head to the website to sign in or simply launch the Zoom desktop app. Once you're in, join an existing meeting or start a new one. The layout options only appear inside a live meeting window, so make sure you've actually entered the call. Now look to the top right corner of the meeting window for the view control. If you don't see it at first, move your mouse to wake the controls or press Escape to exit full screen, and then go back into full screen if you prefer. On smaller screens, the View button may appear as an icon with little rectangles, but it's still in that top right area. Click View to open your layout choices. Select Portrait to arrange video tiles in a vertical-friendly layout. This is ideal if you keep Zoom on one side of your screen while taking notes on the other, or if you're on a tall or rotated monitor. Choose Landscape to spread participants horizontally across the screen. Landscape is great for wide monitors, full screen viewing, or when you want a broader grid of faces at once. Your choice affects only your personal view, so you can switch back and forth at any time without changing what others see. You may also notice familiar options like Speaker and Gallery in the same menu. Speaker highlights the active talker, while Gallery shows a grid of attendees. Think of Portrait and Landscape as the overall orientation, and Speaker or Gallery as how participants are emphasized within that orientation. Mix and match to find what feels most natural for your workflow. If the Portrait or Landscape options don't appear, update your Zoom app to the latest version. Layout features can vary by version and meeting type, and an update often resolves missing options. If video feels sluggish, try leaving full screen, reducing the number of visible tiles, or temporarily switching to speaker view for smoother performance. A few quick tips as you fine-tune things. If you're screen sharing, your view choice still controls how participant videos display in the side panel, and you can drag the divider to resize that panel. If the floating meeting toolbar blocks the view button, click and drag the toolbar to another edge so it's out of the way. That's it. Open Zoom, join a meeting, click View in the top right and pick Portrait or Landscape to match your screen. With one simple change, your meeting layout will feel more natural and easier to follow.